You're loving this, but you're just pretending and causing a scene. Right, come on.
No. Ah! I actually lead it on me. I want to go the pasta.
What path?
Hold her, Dad.
Okay.
I want to go that path.
Go on then.
There's bike coming.
Eh?
What? Go in the side.
What bike?
There's bike coming.
No coming up the way.
No, going down. I mean.
Okay then, come on. Oh, is that finished? It's all flat now.
Dad, maslide siya, Dad. Dad.
Go slidey.
Dennis, don't step on the... lapok nak. Kapoy in English. Oh, look at the trail here on the left. Look at the trail. There. Look, trail.
The trail.
Trail.
Where's that going?
That looks a better trail.
Muna naman katirig mga bike. It's a cycle trail.
I'm not sure. Well, you said
Kuruntoon ning adto na pud sa wala.
that was important wherever we want to go. And if we don't get home, then if we don't get over there,
Come on then.
it's a better trail.
Yeah.
Let's keep her though. Allah.
Saba Dennis. Sig syagit no kurunto.
Still, think it's that.
Yeah, give me this bike trail. Ah, okay, very dirty wa na.
I know she doesn't have to sit
Okay.
in it. She doesn't want to hold my hand.
Ta-da!
Lagi mga gamay ng taghana eh. Agis lisod-lisod eh.
This trail's closed. No, maybe some problem with it up there.
Ah, no, that's
They were telling them it would come this way.
then why are we going there? You said you wanted to go this way. No entry. You said, okay,
No entry. It says no entry.
then that way.
And then you go that way. It says there no entry and you're coming.
Maybe there's a bear here.
La 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 la.
I wonder if we can wire that way.
Imagine. Sa kataas oh. Hindi kami dito sa taas. Ang kalay yung tawhanan eh. Naaysa yun, mangita ang giglisod, nagiagian. Kapayo lang duha may pasagdaan ako sila. Lisod go down kay sikag pugong sa imuhang. Tiil. Murag dalan na sa ubos.
We're at the top of the beach right now. God, that's like we're gonna end up on the beach.
End up in the beach. Tuwa, natumba na. Tumba na, tuwa na.
Mom, go that way. Go the bloody way.
Lingkod nak when you go down. Sit.
That way.
Still lang.
No, go that way. Well, there's a lot of rocks there.
Ah, there's water at the bottom.
The
There is. We cannot go over it. We have to go back up again.
Have to go back up.
We have to go back up and go back to the main road.
Then why is there a car there?
Ambot lang, I don't know.
Dad, you go that way, I'll go this way.
La 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 la. No, no.
Dad, you go this way.
Da. This way na kami. Follow ma. Follow me.
I'll follow you.
Follow me. Hold my back.
I'm holding you. I am not falling down.
Hold her.
Why?
Hold tight.
Why?
O, bahala ka. Sige, don't hold. Sige.
Watch me. Watch me, I'm the superhero. I'm so light.
Lakaw.
I told you I'm the superhero. Superhero, what you'll say. No. I'll flip that way and this way. Yeah. Jump! Get out of here.
Is it car park already? Nanay tubig. Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, look. The car park is in the left. Dad, go left. Why are you going straight? Lagi gamay.
Look!
Da.
Duck. Yeah. Oh.
Ah, they're having a trail in there.
Die.
Not good.
Ah, that's him, yeah, and the dog. Dennis, come here, nak. This way.
This way, Dad. Bye, Dad.
Go that way, mate.
No.
This, your car, Dad, is in the left.
Absolutely not, Dad.
That's up the hole. How are you going to get over there? Huh?
We just ended up in this place. And then how we're back home.
Get over, we can fly.
No.
We can fly. How can we get over there?
That's fine. Mommy, so we're useful to other people.
You'll build a snowman.
Yes.
Elsa, you'll build a snowman.
Yes.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on and let us eat the snowman.
No, we're not eating snow.
Suko na daddy ron. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, smile. Tara, suko na daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas imong kunot. Unsay kunot? Unsay kunot?
For people to play with.
Unsay kunot?
Go with this or bilang cut.
Ay, bilang ka lubot.
Yeah.
Taka.
This is how cold it is outside.
Stand in it. Come on, stand.
Hey, hey, hey.
Patay.